Hello, student. Welcome to my channel, A Journey of Exploring Education. Today, you will see the presentation of Miss Dhanashri Kamre on Human Resource Management. So, let's see the presentation.
Hi, I am Dhanashri Kamre. Currently, I am pursuing my BBA in the first year. In this presentation, we are going to see what is human resource management is, what human resource management do, and the role of HR manager. Let's see the basic definition of human resource management. Human resource management is the combination of three words, and these three words are human, resource, and management. The first word used in human resource management is a human. I'm sure we all know that what are humans. But from the perspective of an organization, let's take a look on a human's definition. So the definition is to achieve a company's goals, we need human employees. So by human, we mean people working in an organization. As definition shows that to achieve a company's goals, we need humans. I mean employees who can perform different tasks in a different department so that company can achieve its goals. Moving on, so the second word used in human resource management is the resources. So let's see the definition of resource. By resource we means financial resource, human resource, stocks, technological resource, etc., which are required to achieve a company's goals. Resources means that company needs different resources such as financial resource, for example, cash, technological resource means plants and machinery, stocks means raw materials or finished products, and human resources employees to manage its business operation to achieve its goals. And the last word of the human resource management is a management. Here we have three definitions of the management. First is management is the art of getting done through the other people. And second definition is management is defined as planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. The last definition of the management is managing the manager, managing the worker, managing the all over activities of the business. It means management ensures that employees and the resource of the company should be utilized correctly and effectively to achieve company's goals. As we have seen in previous that human resource management is the combination of three different words human, resource and management. As we combine these three words, we will get the definition of human resource management. So, let's see the what is the definition of human resource management. We can define human resource management in a very simple way, and that is human resource management is the process of using human resource in an effective and efficient way to achieve organization goals. So, let me make it more simple. In an organization, there are lots of employees who work to use in a different departments. Human resource management basic purpose is to make it possible to coordinate with the departments in such a way that the employee who can give a good performance to achieve the company goals in a well organized way. We will see the role of HR manager. Human resource management is an essential part of a business strategic plan for a success. An HR manager has a wide responsibilities. A key part of a human resource management is to develop and maintain a workforce that is both productive and happy. This may also means that training a new staff and even working with the current staff, which in turns to help achieving company's goals. Well, an HR manager is also involved in planning for a company's future. Reward systems are also a responsibilities of human resource departments, including employees' compensation and incentives and benefit packages, of course. An HR manager has to able to effectively address conflicts that may arise between co-workers. The responsibility of an human resource are also work protection, health, safety of employees' rights, developing work culture. That was a basic information of human resource management. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.